It's a Wednesday, no?
Thursday.
Thursday na ba? Wednesday, diba? It's our free day, no tours today, so we're going around Madrid / window shopping daw. Ikot-ikot lang. Kasi tomorrow we're going back to Barcelona na for our last day. So we're going to go to Picasso Museum and then have dinner at Pablo Restaurant, yung newly opened restaurant na ano din nung Picasso Museum. And we're going back na to Manila the next day. We're here trying out the best churros as recommended. Ano to? Ito na guys, the famous churros in San Ginis. So you can drink now or you can dip. Sure. Whenever you're in Madrid, guys, go to this mall for pasalubong. I think they have like good na pang pasalubong na like shirts or jackets or shoes sa Primark or Primark in Grandia area. Ayan, ito naman. Dami namin nabili, oh. Mura lang yan. Parang total, wag na. Isa yun. Anong masasabi mo sa Madrid? Ano? Last night na namin. Bye Madrid. And see you Barcelona tomorrow again. We're on our way to Atocha train station para sumakay kami ng train papuntang Barcelona ulit. Thanks again, Madrid. It was great. 8-8. We're here na, guys. Hindi daw pwede yung ganito kalaki pala. Pero nung pumunta kami from Barcelona to Madrid, pwede naman. Wala naman silang arte-arte. Parang pinalate pa kaming pinalabas. It's like almost less than 10 minutes na lang alis ng train. Anyway, ganun talaga. It's part of the experience. We're leaving. Going back to Barcelona from Madrid, Puerto de Atocha. Bye-bye, Madrid. Diba, muntik pa kaming hindi nakaalis kasi hindi daw kasya yung bagahe ko. Pero tingnan mo naman. Kasya naman, diba? Arte-arte na lang. Ariel. Ay, busy siya. Welcome to Barcelona ulit. We're here again. We're back in Barcelona and we're here in La Rambla, their famous La Rambla. We booked a hotel named Gaudi Hotel and medyo nag-splurge kami konti kasi ito yung last day namin sa Spain. So we're going to Picasso Museum in a bit. Check-in lang kami. Ooh, what's in front of our hotel? It's Palau Gel. Here na. Check-in time. Here's our room with a view. Simple lang siya. Pero at least hotel na siya. Hindi kami sa apartment. You have to tap on the para magka-electricity. Oh. Ito yung pinili namin guys because of this view. Hulaan nyo ano to. It's Palau Gel, as in one of Gaudi's works na naman. Astig! Parang nagdagdag ka lang ng mga 2K. Ito yung kapalit niya. Ayan, tinan niya, may pila yan sa baba kasi para siyang attraction din dito sa mga ginawa ni Gaudi here in Barcelona. We wanted sana yung pinaka top floor kaso mas mahal yun. Kasi to see sana yung ganyan sa terrace. But this is fine already. Kasi nakita mo yung mga works ni Gaudi na ganyan. Stig! Room tour. So this is our cabinet. Well, at least may safe. Tapos, this is the room. We have free water, coffee. Naka yung bed. Then, CR. Sabi ko saan yung ito pala siya. So, in 15 minutes, alis na naman kami. Punta kami ng Picasso Museum. Na-cancel yung reservation namin dun sa Pablo Cafe, Pablo Restaurant na bago lang sa baba ng Picasso. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Pero anyway, not meant to be siguro. Hanap na lang kami ng mas masarap siguro na restaurant. But this is the reason why we booked this hotel. It's the Palau Gel. One of the works of Gaudi na naman. And then also, kaya siya tinawag na Picasso Hotel. Picasso Hotel. Gaudi Hotel. Okay. Parang ganito pala yung feeling ni Bea Alonso nung nag-apartment hopping siya. May sarili kang terrace. Diba talaga pag may medyo gumastos ka ng konti, ano? Kasi may terrace ka. At maganda yung view mo. So, ito ulit yung park, Palau Gel. May inuubo po. Astig guys. Ito yung namin. The reason why we booked this hotel kasi may access kami dito sa terrace nila. Which you can see Gaudi's Palau Gel. One of his works. Ito yung kanina yung nasa balcony kanina. But it's like so beautiful. And then may swimming pool pa. Pero ano kasi siya. Pwede ka dun. May can nga eh. Pwede ka dun. Ay si ano bird yan? Ang astig lang. Malamig lang. Ikot tayo. Yan, so view din ng Barcelona. Ang daming mga structures eh. I wish we could see the ano. I wish we could see the, what do you call this? Secret, ano? Sagrada Familia, kaso parang malayo siya dito. There's also like a, you can go down there in Tampay. Going back here. So cool. We're walking now here in Barcelona from our hotel, going to Picasso Museum, Palau de la General. Anong square na naman nila to? We're here na. Hirap nyo namang hanapin. Ito na yung last naming itinerary, guys. Hindi dapat siya kasama to. Kaso, since dito na kami sa area and this is our last day, you wanna see the... Anong tawag dito? Gothic quarters. Ayan, ito na yung bridge. And under it daw, wala naman yung skull. Anong sinasabing skull? O ibang bridge yung nabasa ko. Meron niyang skull, guys. Ayan, yung nabasa ko. Appear siya ng sword. Alrighty. We're trying out their sikat na empanadas. 4 cheese and 1 carne. Beef, I guess. I'm gonna try it out. The difference with our own empanadas. One empanada is $2.99, so that's like 180 pesos. Sana masarap siya. Ito nga yun. Parang square nila. Kaso mahal dito. Mabalik tayo. Ito ko lang makita yung si, ano, yung kung saan umeksena si Catherine Bernardo at si Daniel Padilla. Bye-bye room. Bye-bye view. Okay, let's go. Daniel! Ay! Ay, yung bebe. Oh, ito na.